What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Speaker of English, your daily English practice partner. Please sit down, make yourself comfortable. This is a place where you listen, practice, and speak English. I'm Daniel. I'm here with my friend Mia. Hello, Mia.
Hello, Daniel. Hello, everyone. I'm happy we are here again.
Me too. And a special warm thank you to you for choosing to spend this time with us. There is no test here, no exam, no one is watching. Here, you can just listen. There's no need to remember everything, no need to speak quickly. Perfection is not our friend here. Calmness is our friend. So just be calm with us.
If you enjoy practicing English with us, please help our channel grow. Hit that subscribe button. It tells us you are here.
And give this video a like. It helps more learners find our friendly community and make more podcasts for you. But only if you feel comfortable. No pressure at all. We're just talking, like friends having a quiet coffee. Yes, like quiet coffee. Today, we talk about one thing, a simple but beautiful thing. We talk about tomorrow, next week, next year. We talk about the future.
The future. It sounds big, but maybe it can be small?
It can be very, very small, and that is the best way. The future is not only big dreams, it is small plans. It is the next hour. It is tonight. It is saying, I will make tea, or I want to watch the sunset, or I am going to call my mother. It is for hopes, for small plans, for simple thoughts about what comes next.
I see. So it's everyday life, but tomorrow's everyday life.
Exactly. Tomorrow's everyday life. So let's start there. In a very gentle way. Mia, after we finish recording this, what will you do?
Okay, after this, I will drink water. My throat is a little dry from talking. I will drink a big glass of water.
Perfect. I will drink a big glass of water. A complete, simple, wonderful sentence about your future. You know, you can also say the same idea with different words. You can say, I am going to drink a big glass of water.
I am going to. It sounds a little more like a plan, a little decided.
Yes, maybe. But for us, for beginners, they are like brothers. I will and I am going to. They are family. Both are good. Both are correct. You can choose. If you say one and your friend says the other, it's okay. No problem.
That's good to know. It feels less scary. There is not only one right way.
Never only one right way. Language is for communication, for connection. If your meaning is clear, you are successful. So, I will drink water is successful. I am going to drink water is successful. Let's practice this feeling with your evening. Mia, tell me about your evening plans. What are you going to do tonight?
Tonight, let me think. Tonight, I am going to cook dinner. Something simple. Maybe pasta.
I am going to cook pasta. Nice. And after pasta?
After, I want to read my book. The story is very interesting now. I want to know what happens next.
Ah, there is another friend. I want to. This friend is for hopes, for desires. It's not a firm plan, but a wish from your heart. I want to read my book. I like that. Do you read every night?
Not every night, but I want to. I want to make it a habit. So maybe tonight I will start. I will read for 20 minutes.
Wonderful. You used two. I want to make it a habit, a hope, and I will read for 20 minutes. A little plan. This is how we talk naturally. We mix these friends together. It's very natural. Now, let's move our conversation to a different day. Let's talk about this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Not big things, small things. Mia, what about your weekend? Something small.
This weekend, on Saturday, I will clean my apartment. It's not fun, but I will do it.
Yes, we all have those plans. I will clean my apartment. Very honest. And maybe after cleaning, a small reward?
Yes, after cleaning, I am going to watch a movie, a funny movie. I want to relax and laugh.
I love that. A small plan and a small hope. Cleaning, then a movie. A perfect weekend for many people. Now, let's think about family. Family and future are good friends.
Oh, yes. On Sunday, I am going to call my parents. I talk to them every Sunday. It's our tradition. I want to tell them about my week.
That's beautiful. I am going to call my parents. A strong plan. A tradition. And I want to tell them about my week. A hope for the conversation. You see, we're building a picture of your future, piece by piece, with simple sentences. Now we turn to you, our listener. You are doing so well. Just listening is perfect. Your brain is learning without effort. Let's try a quiet exercise together. Close your eyes if you want. Just think about tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, what is the first thing you will do?
Maybe I will open my eyes.
Yes, I will get out of bed. I will stretch. I am going to make my bed. Very, very small first steps.
Or I want to have a quiet 5 minutes.
Exactly. There is no hurry. Think of one sentence, just one. Say it in your mind, slowly. I will drink coffee. I am going to take a shower. I want to see the sun. Try it now. We will be quiet.
Good. However you did it, that was perfect. Now, let's expand our world a little. Let's talk about the weather tomorrow. People always talk about the weather. Mia, what will the weather be like tomorrow where you are?
I looked today. The weather app says it will be sunny. I hope it is true. I want to see the sun.
It will be sunny. Good. We use it will for weather very often. It will be rainy. It will be cold. And you added your hope. I want to see the sun. Beautiful. If it is sunny, what will you do?
If it is sunny, I am going to walk in the park. I will sit on a bench and I will listen to the birds.
That sounds like a peaceful future. A small, beautiful plan. Let's talk about food again, but next week. Is there a food you want to eat next week?
Next week, I want to eat sushi. I haven't had sushi for a long time. I will look for a good restaurant.
I want to eat sushi. A hope. I will look for a good restaurant. The action plan from the hope. This is how our mind works with the future. Hope, then plan. I want to, then I will, or I am going to.
Oh, they work together. They are a team.
Yes, a very good team. Now, let's imagine a very common future situation. A friend asks you to meet. How do you answer?
Okay, my friend Sarah, she might call. She will say, Mia, do you want to meet next Tuesday? And I will say, yes, I want to meet. I am going to be free in the afternoon. Or if I'm busy, I will say, I'm sorry, I will be at work.
Perfect examples. Accepting, yes, I want to meet. I am going to be free. Refusing gently, I'm sorry, I will be at work. You used the future to accept and to refuse. Very useful. Let's do a gentle review. We will go very slowly. Our main friends for the future. The first friend, I will.
I will. I will drink water. I will clean. I will read.
The second friend, very similar, I am going to.
I am going to cook pasta. I am going to watch a movie. I am going to call my parents.
And the friend for our heart's wishes, I want to.
I want to read my book. I want to eat sushi. I want to see the sun.
Good. And for things we don't control, like weather, it will be.
It will be sunny. It will be rainy.
Beautiful. You are remembering not with effort, but with calm repetition. Now, a longer practice moment, a little story. I will give you a name. Let's use the name Alex. Alex is a person. You can be Alex for a moment. Alex has a plan for next Saturday. Listen to Alex's plan, then we will think about it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alex's Saturday. In the morning, I am going to go to the market. I want to buy fresh fruit. Then I will visit my grandfather. I am going to have lunch with him. In the afternoon, I will be tired, so I want to nap. In the evening, I am going to meet friends. We will eat dinner together. Now, Mia, what did you hear? What is Alex going to do in the morning?
In the morning, Alex is going to go to the market. Alex wants to buy fruit.
Good. And after?
Then Alex will visit his grandfather. He is going to have lunch there.
Perfect. And the afternoon?
In the afternoon, Alex will be tired. He wants to nap. I understand that feeling.
Me too. And the evening?
In the evening, Alex is going to meet friends. They will eat dinner.
Excellent. You understood everything. The future tenses mixed, but the meaning was clear. This is the goal. Clarity, not perfection. Now, listener, can you think of your own Alex? Think of one thing you are going to do next Saturday. Just one. It can be, I am going to wash my car, or I want to sleep for a long time. Think it. You are practicing silently, safely. Well done. This is how confidence grows, with small, quiet practices. Talking about the future is an act of hope. It means you are thinking about tomorrow, and tomorrow is a gift. When you say, I will learn more English, that is a beautiful hope. When you say, I am going to try, that is a powerful plan. Please be kind to your future self. Make small plans. Have small hopes. Use these simple sentences like gentle tools.
Yes, don't think, I must speak perfect future tense. Just think, I want to tell you about my tomorrow. That is enough.
That is more than enough. Thank you, Mia, for your gentle voice today.
Thank you, Daniel.
And thank you, dear listener, for your precious time and quiet company. You make this space special. If you would like to write to us, we have a simple question this week. What is one small, good thing you want to do next week? You can write it in the comments. Just one sentence. I want to see a friend. I am going to bake bread. I will walk in the park. We read every comment, and we are always so happy to hear from you. But no pressure, just if you want to.
We are with you. You are not alone in your learning journey.
So, until next time, breathe slowly. And remember, your future in English is bright because you are here, now, listening. That is a beautiful beginning. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.